KidsVision TV.
Hi kids and welcome back to my channel. Today we are learning to draw cute fairy sitting on a cloud. First, I am coloring its hair with light yellow color. This is a cute fairy. It's called a magical stick. My videos like a fairy or a mermaid and princess, comment me. Let's color its hair bun. I love hair bun style of this fairy.
Subscribe us for more videos.
Color and its dress, green color, light green color. Pink color, I am coloring its lace and its socks with pink color. Adorable. I love this fairy dress. Light pink color, coloring flower. Let's color its body and its face. Skin color. I am coloring its face with skin color. This video. If you like my videos, then like, subscribe and share please. Let's color its wings with light blue color. The fairy wings are looking so beautiful. Light pink color. I am coloring in the stick with light pink color. Now this is a rainbow color. I am coloring rainbow cloud. You can see with me a rainbow color stick. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and indigo. And that's rainbow. Sing again. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo. Then that's rainbow. And the last time you can sing with me. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, then that's rainbow. Let's color in a little cloud, purple color, sky blue color.
Subscribe us for more videos.
Yellow color. This is a yellow cloud. And the one is green, pink color. The fairy is looking so beautiful. Sitting on a rainbow cloud.